After more than 5 years of waiting, the capital murder case against Ibrahim Yazid, who is accused of killing Homewood native Aniah Blanchard, may be closer to trial. Alabama Supreme Court Chief Justice Sarah Stewart used a new law yesterday to select retired Judge Tom Young to oversee the case in Macon County. ABC 3340's Aaron Wise joins us now. Aaron, you spoke with Blanchard's father.
Yes, Aniah Blanchard was grateful for the new law called the Speedy Trial Act. The goal of that law is to get violent criminal cases to trial faster. When the bill creating the law was signed by Governor Kay Ivey in mid-May, she said she looked forward to justice being served, beginning with Aniah Blanchard's case.
She just lit up a room when she walked in. She was to herself, but she was such a helpful person, and she was so giving and cheerful, and she was just a great person. And to get somebody like that taken away from you, it hurts.
Aniah Blanchard, the father of Aniah Blanchard, says the more than 5.5 years since his daughter's kidnapping and death have been difficult. While Blanchard has confidence in the state to prosecute Aniah's alleged killer, Ibrahim Yazid, at times he questioned if they would see justice.
A lot of uncertainty, a lot of confusion. It's just been a lot of days of not knowing. I'm just glad that the lawmakers have decided that, sometimes these criminals can sit too long.
He was relieved with the recent selection of a visiting judge to oversee the case against Yazid. Through the new Speedy Trial Act, the Chief Justice of the Alabama Supreme Court can select a judge from outside a circuit to oversee certain violent criminal cases when a request is made by the Attorney General or a district attorney. There must be an explanation of why a visiting judge is needed. The goal: get cases to trial.
They are alleged innocent until proven guilty. So, he's literally been living a life of saying he's innocent. So now I think it's time for him to face his crime. I'm glad that we're moving forward, even though it's going to be kind of difficult for us to relive this moment.
While thankful for the new law, Blanchard hoped it would not lead to loopholes for people who are guilty of crimes to prolong the judicial process.
Because it's a speedy trial, so they could use, we didn't get proper counsel, or they can use all kind of verbiages to try to get out of doing something. So I'm just hoping that this law is a positive thing.
As for when Yazid's trial may occur, it is unclear, but court documents show he was slated to be in court again in September. He's pleaded not guilty to the capital murder charges against him. I have reached out to Yazid's attorneys for comment on these recent developments. I've not heard back at this time.